Hi, I am Kia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce you to the magical world of the vision board. It's my world. I literally love them. But what is the vision board and why is it so famous and popular in those years? We're going to analyze everything, and also in this video I will teach you how to do it. It's really simple. In fact, I think this video won't be so long because it's very practical and so easy that everyone can do it. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, how how did I discover vision boards and why I talk about it so much? I always had a lot of ideas and projects in my mind, but at the end of the year, at the end of the week, or at the end of the month, at the end of every period of time that I've set for myself, I've looked and I saw that I didn't do any of them, or I just did few of them. And it's totally fine. At the end of the year, if you've set a lot of goals, you don't have to manage to accomplish every single goal that you've set. But I think there's a minimum there that you can do and you can express. So at the end of the year, I've always saw myself that I've done not nothing, but very few things. And in my heart, I knew that I could do just little steps more. So I discovered this magical moment that is the visual board. Because if you see your goals, it's really easier to remember what you have to accomplish during the year, because these months, 12 months, are really long, and it's easy to forget what you want to do. For people like me that often forget what they have to do, vision boards are the best, are really the best. Speaking for the practical people like me, what is in reality, in the realness, what is this vision board? What do I have to expect from a vision board to look like? It's really easy. It is you can do as a desktop for your computer or a wallpaper for your smartphone, and it's like a collage. It's the visual representation of your goals or your to-do list, your wishes, your travel plans, everything that you want, everything that you wish, everything that you crave for. Can be really anything. So in this image, you set quotes, you put images that represent one of your goals, such as you want to travel a plane or a tropical destination, a trolley, really something related to travel moments. You want to eat better, something about the food, maybe your go-to healthy food, and you do literally a collage of all these images, or also you can write down some quotes, and that's it. That is really it. You can do like a digital representation of it, so as I said, smartphone, wallpaper for a smartphone, or desktop for your personal computer. Or you can also do a more physical, so you can hang it, you can do a collage manually with some maybe newspaper articles, or you can print some images and put really literally on on a frame and hang where you want. So you can do both. Let's go and let's do it together. I will do it for myself and explain to you all the steps that can lead you to your visual board that is really for yourself and not just something that is aesthetically pleasant. Just 2 words before going into the craft of this video. Why does it work? There are several reasons. One of them, it is that you see your future you, your future self, and also your future in general. So in that board, you can see what your future can look like and stimulate you to work harder. Second of all, it's so cute. It's very pretty. And I know it looks like a futile reason, but having something aesthetic and that you really like, it can bring you more energy, more positive vibes, and can stimulate you to go through your goals. So it's not a stupid reason, this one. It really set everything clear, because sometimes when you think about your goals, they just float inside your mind, and it's easier that they're not so clear, because sometimes when you think about something and don't visualize it in the practical, it's harder to accomplish if you don't have a clear state of mind to understand what that goal really looks like. So give a name to a goal and give also an image, so you have a reference for what is going to be like. And it's easier, it sets yourself in a clearer environment and a clearer state of mind, and it's really easier to work through what you want to achieve. And then it's impossible to forget it. If you set your visual board as a desktop for your computer, you work with the computer every day you see that goal. It's not easy to forget it. So if you don't set images, it's easier to forget what you want. Maybe you set a goal in January and then it's June, and you see yourself thinking about what did I think about in January? Oh, I don't remember. If you set your visual board, it's there. It's impossible that you can forget it, because you see it every day. So also my advice is to put this vision board, if you want to have it physically, put it in a corner of your house, in a place that you see it every day, that is really easy to notice. Or if you want it digital, put it as a desktop or a wallpaper for your smartphone, so you see it every day. And that's it. This is why it really works, because you always see your goals, and if you really want to achieve those goals, this stimulates you, because you see that girl, that boy, that X person that does what you want to do, and stimulates you that one day you can be on a visual board of someone. So it's cute, and really try and let me know. But now let's go and do it. For myself, maybe you can bring your tea and we can do it together. So I'll wait for you. I'm waiting. Come with your tea, your coffee, your water, and let's do it together. Now we are in the realness of this video. So right now we're going to create together our mood board, our vision board, as you want to say. And for this special occasion, you're going to see me in this professor mood. So be ready to see me with my glasses. Yes, now we're ready to slay. How do I look? Write down in the comments. I look like a tiny mouse. Okay, let's begin. First step is to write down your goals. For me, for example, I've set my goals for fall and winter. So I divide 3 categories. The first one is work, the second one is private life, and the third one is couple life. You can do more categories. For me, this one is enough. I put the work for my 9-to-5 job, but also for my social media job. So I put some goals that I want to accomplish. Also for the private life, I put it here so you can see them and maybe be inspired by mine. It looks like the simplest part, but it's not, because you really have to think about your future you, visualize it, and write down what you want, and it's not that easy. So really take your time, don't rush this one, because this part, because it's the most important part, and really don't rush it. Take your time. The first time I did it, I used 3 or 4 days to understand what I really wanted, and it's okay if after some weeks that you've done your mood board, you understand that maybe there are more things, you can put them and update. You can, the fun part of the mood board, the digital one, is that you can really update it when you want, because it's digital, it's free, so you really can update it every time that you want. So this one is the first part. Take your time, write down what you want. You can take my goals, for example, if you don't know what to write, but I suggest you to really think about what you want to do, because it's useless if you don't know what you want to accomplish. Why are you doing your mood board? Now we are in the searching part. I like to use Pinterest because there are the most aesthetic pictures of all time. I want to live in my Pinterest corner, right? really, I want to live inside Pinterest. This is my Pinterest account, and I put some cute pictures. So follow me on Pinterest. I don't post a lot, I will post more. So right now here on Pinterest, you look for what you want, your goals. So for example, I can take the first goal that I want to do, like morning routine. It's the simpler morning routine. We say morning routine, aesthetic maybe. There are all the pins so you can save the image. You look at every result you like. We'll see afterwards. So now I'm going to download all the image that represent all my goals, and we'll see in the creative part. Now we come in the creative part, aka making our mood board on using an app that is going to make a collage. I am using right now Canva. I'm going to make a new project with the desktop mode. Okay, now as you can see here, I've uploaded all the pictures that I've downloaded, and I'm going to make a collage. So we'll see when it's ready. Now that you've put all your pictures, it may look something like this. I really like to put a lot of pictures, and also some quotes, because yes, sometimes seeing your future you or what you want to do is powerful, but for me, manifesting by speaking, saying the words is much more powerful. So reading sometimes something that makes my energy levels higher, it's really powerful and useful for me. We're saving it and then we put it on our desktop, and that's it. Here we are. Thank you for staying with me. I hope this video will help you making your own mood board. If you don't follow me here on YouTube, why don't you follow me? Follow, and follow me also on Instagram. This is my Instagram, and we'll see in the next video. Bye.